Morning everybody, Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Friday, April 1st. Well, it's the end of the week, but it's also the start of a new month for the week so far. It's been a down week for the corn on the heels of yesterday's USDA report. It's also been a down week for the meal. Up in the wheats, beans, and the soybean oil. Overnight trade, we see the grains weaker, but the oilseeds firmer. We got the wheat market and corn market down roughly around 3 cents. Bean market up 3 cents. Meal up $1, and the soybean oil market up around 25 points. Like I said, we had the USDA report yesterday. That's out of the way. I guess you can see where the trade is transitioning from old crop to new crop, because the quarterly stocks numbers doesn't really suggest that we're running out of grains and or oilseeds at this time. But what they did kind of key on was the acreage numbers for the corn being larger than what the trade was looking for, and a little bit lighter for wheat and beans, and thus the price action that we saw yesterday. So going forward in here, it's all going to be up to weather to go and see if we're going to get the type of acres that the USDA is calling for, or are we going to have adjustments as we go forward in here. And then also we'll continue to monitor our row crop stocks, and if we're finding U.S. demand, to go through those, because as I said, they kind of remain on the burdensome side, and we're not really threatening our carryout numbers at this point in time. Other than that, we'll get another commitment of trades report after the close today. We still have the trade net short, the wheat, corn, and soybean meal, along the beans and the soybean oil. We'll also be getting a grain crushing report out after the close, along with the fats and oils, that being what the February crush was here in the U.S. That's expected to be down versus a month ago. So all in all, we have decent weather. Our carryout numbers where we're at, and our demand pace that we're currently seeing still doesn't seem justified about going above $5 wheat, $4 corn. I guess there is somewhat of a question mark on why we are above $9 beans, but really don't see the fundamental justification there as well. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.